Now let's learn hyperlink. Before formally going for creation of hyperlink or applying hyperlinks in Microsoft Excel worksheet, let's understand the need of hyperlink and what is hyperlink, what is mean by hyperlink. Let's go back to your school days and remember the importance of index in a book. What was the purpose of having index in a book or textbook? It used to be in first, third or fourth page of the book. Definitely it used to be there for retrieval of desired text, desired topic in minimum possible time. That is quick access for a specific topic. We used to refer the topic and respective page number, and we used to go to a specific page and used to carry on whatever we want to read or write something on the topic or whatever, or study it. Nowadays we people work on lot of e-data, and while working on e-data many times we have to go for different references, and for which we used to move from worksheet to worksheet, or from workbook to workbook, or from file to file, or from workbook to file, or from folder to folder, etc. Wherein we used to spend lot of time in just searching the data, and to avoid or minimize that searching of data and to have data easily available at right time and the desired data at right place, hyperlink plays a very important role in e-data. Here in this MS Excel workbook, our workbook might be having different worksheet with multiple focused information placed in individual worksheet, or it might require to refer desired information in another workbook, desired information from another workbook, or from another file, which can be a Word document, a PowerPoint presentation, picture, audio or movie clip or web page, and so on and whatever. So with hyperlink in place, we can very well open, we can lead to a specific information in minimum possible time. Here suppose I want to know who prepared this document, and if I click on this text, it will lead to prepared by, who had prepared it, right? In this case, this particular desired information is very well within this worksheet. There might be a case wherein we have desired information in a separate worksheet within the same workbook. So just click on the text, you will lead to a specific worksheet, or there can be a separate workbook, information available in different workbook out of this workbook. This is list of participants attended so far, or it can be altogether a different file. Here in this case, it is a PowerPoint presentation of a single slide. or it might require to lead to a specific mail or mail ID to which you want to send the information. It might be a weekly or monthly report. So it will generate a mail for you. This is how hyperlink creates magic in our e-data. When we want to deal with the information, it is very well required by yourself to know where the desired document is prior to setting up the hyperlink. Here in this case, suppose you want to set a link for a file outside workbook, or in it is a PowerPoint presentation, or here in this case outside a workbook, a different workbook altogether. Here in this case a worksheet. So you should know the path, you should know the location of that prior to setting the hyperlink. Okay, got it?